Podcast Sports, the number one independent sports voice of the Philippines.
Alright, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. June 27, 2026, Breaking News Podcast. Alam mo, dapat live pa ito. Sabi ko kay Homer Saison, I have to go somewhere but this is too good to pass up. Kaya we did this recorded episode. Mabilis na balita po sa inyo, no? Kai Sotto is no longer part, or well, I don't know if that's the right statement, will not be at the 2026 NBA US Summer League po, no? At dahil dyan, talagang usap-usapan ngayon kung ano ba talaga nangyari. Aalamin natin kung bakit nagkagano, kasi ang unang balita ko ay kaya hindi makakasama itong si Kai Sotto sa Gilas Pilipinas ay dahil dyan sa NBA Summer League. Tapos wala pala. Alam ko, hindi pa nagsasalita si Kai Sotto, kaya nandito ngayon si Homer Saison para magsalita tungkol sa issue na ito. Homer Saison, magandang araw sa inyo dyan.
Good morning. Happy Saturday sa ating mga kababayan dyan. And obviously all the Pauka Sports listeners and viewers around the world. So sorry po, naabala tuloy natin sila, no? So, on a very blissful Saturday morning, nala natin sila. Pero alam mo, big breaking news. So, tsaka, para naman sa mga kaibigan natin, mga vloggers na I'm sure kukunin yung content ng Pauka Sports. So, paki-acknowledge lang po sa amin. Hindi naman kami maramot sa content namin. But just give some courtesy sa trabaho namin dito and just say courtesy of Pauka Sports. Kasi yung iba yung ibang mga vlogger kasi they take an effort to hide saan galing kasi to make it appear na sila mismo.
Ayan.
Halata naman hindi kayo sa inyo. But anyway,
mo na yan.
Okay lang.
Yo. Anyway, sabi ko, Homer, let's go this straight to the point. Alam mo, unang-una gusto kong malaman, I do not know if I should consider this as good news or as bad news. Tell me, is this a good news or is this a bad news?
Well, depends. Pero
yes, go ahead.
Para sa akin, the Summer League is a very good pathway to the NBA. Doon ka talaga nakikita And especially Kai coming off an ACL injury, di ba? Mm-hmm. So it would be an opportunity to, for teams to showcase him, tapos makita na, okay na pala, okay palang galaw, wala palang sa ACL, number one. Number two, it's also, again, an opportunity for Kai to be showcased and, ma-market. Because sabihin dyan, maka-network yung niya. It's hard kasi to network kung ako yung agent, di ba? And I go to teams and say, hey, my player, this guy, that guy, where is he? So pakikitaan mo pa ng YouTube video, di ba? Dito, nandoon na. And if an interview is necessary, nandoon na rin. Kasi Summer League, nandoon lahat mga executives ng NBA. I have been to a few Summer League coverages in my career as a NBA writer, Pao. Nandoon talaga lahat. Doon ko nga nakita si one of my fondest memories of Summer League, nakita ko na si Jerry West sa NBA.
All right. So, going back to the topic, Kai Sotto. Una siguro tanong ko, sabi mo, ay ako, magandang balita para sa Gilas Pilipinas because I also heard that he is welcome to join the Gilas Pilipinas. Bad news because the NBA dream may not be closer. Two questions. What is now the next step for Kai Sotto? Because I heard there's also an NCAA opportunity. What did you hear?
Well, there are two other pathways for Kai to make it to the NBA besides the Summer League. Pwede siyang i-sign siya ng isang team na direkta through an Exhibit 10 contract. Pwede yan. Pwede din siya mag-US NCAA, play for a reputable program, Division 1, and then go from there. And so hopefully ma-sign siya.
Pero hindi natin alam kung anong tunay na plano kasi kaya nga hindi siya sumama sa Gilas Pilipinas allegedly meron siyang offer yung ginagawa nila. Ano ba sa tingin mo ginagawa nila? Because what you're telling me is maybe out of their control if they're waiting for someone to sign them. Are they pursuing anyone from their end? Or
no,
anything?
From what I was told, mga sources ko pa, may offer daw. May offers with an S. May offers daw for Kai to play in the Summer League. But, part of my job is to ask because in the interest of the story at saka sa mga fans, saka listeners, viewers natin, so tinanong ko, which teams? Hindi naman sumagot.
Mm.
So they didn't answer which team. Siguro, ayaw nila malaman yung team kasi nga, mapahiya sila dahil hindi tumuloy, if ever there was. So,
Mm.
that could be it. Again, uh, you have to remember, this is not entirely Kai Soto's decision. May mga manager si Kai, di ba? May NBA agent siya, may handler siya. So, we should not blame Kai for this. So, yung mga fans, hindi agad kayo mag-ano dyan, ha? Hindi kayo come into mag-judge agad, mag-judgmental agad. Nasabi si Kai, hindi no. This is a unilateral decision between his NBA agent at saka you have to remember Kai has two representations. Isa yung management niya sa mga endorsement deals and what other stuff. Tsaka may isa sa NBA talaga.
Okay.
So dalawa yan. And between the two they decide. And yun ang naano ko na may offer daw pero for some reason, nag-decide sila na ibang pathway. And to be honest with you, I'm confused.
Okay, that's the same thing. When I was asking you the question, ako nako-confuse ako instead of getting the answer. Because, what is there to decide? Bakit hindi sila nag-pursue doon? So, I can only assume na, ikuha ko niyan, NBA Summer League, matik na yan Kaya nga ako hindi sumama ng Gilas. Ang tanong ko, nasaan ba si Kai Soto ngayon? Alam mo ba kung nasaan si Kai Soto?
Well, last night, may nagsabi sa atin na, di ba, remember when we were on the show, may sabi na, nasa South Mall, nakita daw sa South Mall, and we thought it was just a prank. So,
teka, kasi unreliable source yun Although, alam ko yung mga followers natin, magsasalita na, wala namang, kumbaga, walang agenda. Is there any other source that has told you na talagang kumpirmado nasa Pilipinas si Kai?
Well, this person, talagang naniniwala ako sa kanya dahil mabait to na taong to. Itago lang natin sa pangalan na Tim Cone. So I was messaging Coach Tim Cone na, tapos sinabi ko sa kanya, I think he's still in the Philippines. Sabi niya, yes, I know. Yun ang sagot niya sa akin. And then I also asked a couple of PBA coaches. Sabi, nandito pa yata So, alam mo naman, it's Kai Soto it's not hard to hide. It's not easy to hide.
Naantangkad
Punta ka ng mall, 7'3" ka, you're immediately being talked about. Diba?
Yeah, with this new development, and that we are going to be facing two of the arguably, or maybe not arguably, the strongest team in the Asia Pacific region, New Zealand and Australia, and we know that we are height deficit. And naglabas ka rin ng balita kanina and the article from spin.ph that is spoken to Tim Cone that he'd take Kai Soto in a heartbeat. Ano ba, may pag-asa bang makahabol or pwede bang makalaro talaga ito sa Gilas Pilipinas itong si Kai Soto, lalo na't kailangan natin ang kanyang haba at kanyang galing sa gitna ng basketball court?
According to the rules sa FIBA, tinanong ko din si Coach Tim Cone. Sabi ko, Coach Tim, pwede pa ba? Because he told me na, alam na pala niya. Because when he answered me, he said he's not going to the Summer League. So alam din ni Coach Tim Cone. Basketball is such a small community. So, tinanong ko siya, pwede pa ba mahabol si Kai? Kasi may mga, depende sa rules So, under the FIBA rules pala pa, a player can be added to the game roster as late as 24 hours before tip-off. So, ang laro sa New Zealand against New Zealand is July 3, and that means Kai, as long as he is rostered and the technical committee is informed na, ito, si Kai, dagdag namin, he will be able to play. So, that would mean between now, which is 27, until July 2, there's 5 days na lilipad siya for New Zealand. But here's the problem.
Yeah, what's the problem? I mean, I don't see any problem. Pwede naman if Kai Soto really wants this, and it seems like Coach Tim Cone also wants it. What's the problem? I don't see any problem.
It's not Kai's decision to make. Sa kanyang mga handlers yan. So, nag-message ako sa mga
Sige,
handlers.
that's important. Okay.
Nag-message ako. I said, Tim Cone, pinakita ko yung quote ni Coach Tim Cone kasi pumayag naman si Coach Tim Cone. I said, can I quote this in the story? Ang sagot niya, always. So I had the tacit approval to show it na ito yung sinabi niya. So pinakita ko sa mga handlers ni Kao, ito yung sabi ni Coach Tim Cone. Kung magbiyahe siya agad-agad, mahabol pa, makalaro siya, and they would love to have him.
Okay, two important question.
Yes.
With this late, I don't know if it's late. It's not that late. It's still, is it kumbaga, does it make sense for Kai Soto to kumbaga humabol, or and pangalawa what's holding them back from making this kumbaga mga pasok ulit sa Gilas Pilipinas?
Well, first of all, yung tinanong ko yung kampo ni Kai. Alam mo yung sagot pa?
Maganda kung may sagot. Anong sagot?
Sound of silence. The sound of silence lang pa.
Nako.
To paraphrase the great poet T.S. Eliot, not a bang, just a whimper. Oh my God. Walang
Kasi,
sagot.
bakit naman kaya hindi sila sasagot? Para naman sa kanila naman yung balita natin. Para two sides of the story.
Hindi sila sumagot pa. Kasi, listen, if Kai's not playing sa Summer League, so that means he's available to play, di ba? I mean, I'm just assuming, di ba? Pwera lang kung may mga prior engagements na siya. But then also we have to factor in Pao na Kai just got married. So baka may downtime pa. Baka gusto pa mag-enjoy, di ba? Kasi pag trabaho talaga when the season begins. Trabaho. So again, like I said, we will not blame Kai for this, pero Pao, kailangan na siya ng bayan, Pao
Yun na nga Nakita ko nga, yung iba nga nagse-celebrate ng championship, hindi na nag-celebrate Iba may bakasyon, hindi na nagbakasyon. But I know, important. Siyempre, kakasal mo lang, honeymoon period. But I think may 1 week pa naman pwede. Anyway.
Pao, you know what to, Pao? You know what to? Knowing SBP, kasi para sa bayan to, I'm sure kung mag-request si Kai, can I take my wife? Walang problema yun.
Yeah. But I don't think that's the problem. And let me be blunt with you. Let me ask you this question. Okay? Because you reported this, and we talked about it last night. The amount of money that was paid for Kai Soto is tremendously bigger than the others. What if it's that important? Can SBP or the Gilas management do something to convince Kai to fly, or do they need to, or what?
Yan na nga, Pao. Kasi there's so many facets kasi dito, Pao. Alright? So for Kai to go there, kailangan mo muna yan i-make sure may insurance siya just in case ma-injured. Diba? Lalo na ngayon, Pao, na wala pa siyang team. Diba? Buti kung may team siya kasi it's a FIBA sanction event. So yung team niya ang kakain sa insurance kung may mangyari man, God forbid.
Yeah.
But now, from my understanding, wala pa siyang team, wala pa siyang napirma. So it would be on his own. So kukuha pa ng insurance yan. Number one. Number two, the question of payment. Talent fee, Pao.
Yun na nga. So I would also understand Kai's camp here because of course Kai's camp, this is also a business. And they have to make sure they have to secure the future. They have to secure their players,
Correct.
itong management.
Correct.
So, we also need to ask, not only, kasi ang lumalabas sa social media, si Kai lagi sinisisi, may mga nagko-comment, mukhang pera, ganito, paglaro ka naman sa Gilas, iba yung ano mo. But, again, we understand this on both sides. But, so, the question now I ask you is what is really, aside from Coach Tim Cone saying, my hands are open. I will accept you, but technically, financially, and logistically, what is SBP doing? Are they doing something, or are they waiting for Kai?
They're just waiting for Kai's representation to say, pwede, sige, hiramin nyo. Pero problema nga, there's the issue of money. Yun talaga, it's all about the money at this point. Oo.
Are we safely to say that that's the issue now? Kasi wala nang Summer League, wala nang scheduling, pera nang lang ngayon ang problema?
That's one thing, Pao. I do not want to assume. Well, you never know na baka may pending contract siya sa isang Japan B-League team and they didn't want him to play kasi baka ma-injured, di ba? So we don't know yet. But Kai naman made it clear na his plan was to go to the NBA. So
Yeah, yeah.
NBA talaga priority. Diba?
Yeah. I mean, siguro sa yung mga fans kasi nagko-comment and sa mga fans po na nanonood niya, comment kayo kung gusto niyo sakaling mapanood ni Guy Soto. Let's convince Guy Soto to play because I feel that needed si Guy dito. And I also feel that, while US NBA Summer League is a good pambaga audition, this could also be a good audition, especially we're facing New Zealand and Australia where, may mga NBA players na Australians and New Zealand. So, I think this could be a good addition. What do you think?
Yeah, of course. It's a good
Mhm.
addition. It's not a guarantee na manalo tayo pa, but sometimes, and more often than not sometimes, more often than not po, masyadong to have a fighting chance. I'm not saying wala tayong fighting chance, but to have that added chance.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah. For me,
like,
it's very important
it's
sa
very
team.
important. Wow. Everybody knows this. Kaya nga sabi ni Coach Tim Cone, in a heartbeat, we'll take you. Kalimutan na natin yung whatever mga misunderstanding kung meron man sa previous window.
Mhm.
This is the second window. You're free. Hindi ka na papupunta ng Summer League. Can we borrow you for a few days? Diba?
Okay. All right. I actually had my questions answered. I do not know what else to dig in with this one. Are there anything that we're missing? And what now? After this, na nagsilabasan na tong balita nito, what's next?
Well, we won't know talaga because alam mo kasi yung kampo ni Kai, and which is understandable, no? When you have a big brand like Kai Soto, secretive sila eh.
Of course.
They don't wanna, they wanna control the narrative. As a matter of fact, yun ngang, remember yung kasal ni Kai, diba? So walang nakaalam.
How can you control the narrative, brother? Sorry if they're not speaking.
Yun na nga. That's why control the narrative, meaning when it's happening, then silang nagkukontrol. Paglabas na, silang mauna. Remember his
Yeah.
quote? Inunahan na naman kami. Oh, di ba?
Yeah. Mas maganda unahan nyo si Homer. Ikautak nyo na kagad si Homer para yung sasabihin ni Homer galing sa inyo, hindi galing sa ibang source.
Oo.
Actually, medyo nalulungkot nga ako, Homer, kasi honestly speaking, I know you're just doing your job. I know, you're unbiased with this. But sometimes yung mga posting natin and pasintabi po sa mga Kai Soto, it comes out negative kay Kai. Because he's silent and, you can only rely on your sources.
Correct.
Right?
And then we find out Kai is such a big personality. And there are so many layers around him na mahirap mo talaga takpan lahat.
Mhm.
Right? And then, for instance, Kai is also very social media savvy. Diba?
Correct.
Tapos yung may pamilya, may tatay, may nanay. So they have friends who talk to friends, who talk to other friends. Ganon yan po
Correct.
eh.
Yeah. But
So-
don't get us wrong, we support Kai Soto and
Oh, we do, 100%.
yeah. And we want
I've
the legitimate news. Kasi alam mo, ayaw ko rin na sasabihan tayo ng fake news ha. Kahit totoo yung balita natin, may hindi pa rin naniniwala. Minsan kasi sa mga nakikinig, Homer got this source. And minsan, hindi lang nagbabasa yung mga tao, yung comprehension nila. It's a developing story. Nasasabihan ka agad ng fake news. Wala kaming ganyan dito.
Yeah, because technically pa, pwede pang pupunta si Kai.
Yeah.
For all we know, meron team bukas na mag-offer. And then Kai can fly.
Yes.
But medyo malabo na yon kasi na-interview ko rin si Coach Ariel Bangardia.
Yan.
Dating
Quote mo siya. Sa Atlanta
Yeah.
Hawks, di ba?
Yes, he was assistant coach and he told me, sabi ko, Coach, anong patakaran? Sabi niya, well, kung may invite ka, you are required to come to the team camp ng 1 week before, which would be July 2, kasi July 9 magsimula ang Summer League. And now, it's already 27 there, 5 days, pupunta ka from the Philippines to the United States, tapos mag-acclimatize ka pa, recover ka pa ng jet lag, di ba? You have to get your stuff ready, mag-book ka ng hotel mo sa Las Vegas, and all that other stuff. So,
Okay.
sabi ni Coach Ariel Bangardia, malabo na yon. Because, normally, you're already here. Remember Kevin Kiambao, when he came to the US? That was way before, last summer, way before Summer League nagsimula. So, nandoon ka na, nandito ka na, ready ka na lahat. So,
Yeah.
so in the event na mangyari yon, Kaya meron pa rin chance, pero yun na nga, malabo na because,
Right.
in fact, ang California, dalawa kasi yan pare. May summer league sa Las Vegas. Yun ang talagang 30 teams nag-join. Meron
Yes.
din California at saka Utah League na July 3 magsimula.
Yan. Alam mo, imposible, pero the last thing that I'm gonna say, alam mo kung anong imposible?
Ano?
Na kontrolado nila sa tingin ko
Ano?
to join the Gilas Pilipinas.
Yes. Silang may
I think
control.
that's very, control nila nasa kanila ang bola. They could just,
Yes. They're
fly
the only
there.
ones that can decide.
yeah.
Let's just
So,
say, all right, punta kami, certain amount of dollars, ganito, ganon. And then, SBP would say, okay, let's go. Diba?
yeah,
Pero,
I think pwedeng gawin yun eh. Renegotiate, and I just have a message for Kai. Kai, come on, we need you, Kai.
Yes.
There's no other words. Just we need you, and I hope you play for Gilas Pilipinas. We're gonna cheer for you, and I think with you there, we have a bigger chance of winning against New Zealand or Australia. At least against New Zealand. Yeah. Any last statement or anything else that we failed to cover on this update?
I think we covered everything, Pao. I mean, this is a good quick update. Pum pum pum, di ba? All the info. 1, 2, 3. Wambang.
Meron pa
thank
isa
you,
ko
ma'am.
lang.
Ano?
'Di ba kinakausap mo si Kai, hindi masyado sumasagot. Can you also have a message for Kai Soto? Come on.
Yun na nga sabi ko. When the nation calls, you answer.
Yeah,
Diba mo?
let's say I'm gonna do a Boy Abunda type of question. Homer
Okay.
Saison.
Yeah.
Kunwari, nasa harap ka ng isang salamin at nandiyan dyan si Kai Soto, kinakausap mo, ano ang sasabihin mo sa kanya?
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of the ball? Sabi ko lang, Pao, na Kai, hindi guarantee na manalo ang Gilas Pilipinas, but it would mean so much for you to be there just for the brotherhood, just for the willingness to play. That sometimes money is not everything. That sometimes it's all about the flag. Diba? Kasi pera, hindi naman kailangan ni Kai pera. I think, I know he can use more. Sino ba sa atin hindi nangailangan ng extra pera? But it's not like, he just came off Japan, 2 years siya doon. May pasweldo siya sa Japan League. I'm not gonna pocket watch for him, but I'm just saying na to go there for a few days in New Zealand to represent the country, hindi naman siya mabangkarote eh. Diba?
Yeah.
Remember last window, ito kasi, Pao, that's why it would look bad for Kai Soto. Last window, sabi niya hindi siya pwede dahil nag-recover para ng injury. Right? But while Gilas were playing, he was playing in the Japan B League around the same period, tapos nag-double-double siya. So apparently, it was not about the injury. And then, in this window, na-interview natin si Coach Tim Cone. He was at our show, at sabi niya, Kai Soto's going to the Summer League, we support him.
Okay.
Eh ngayon, hindi siya nagpunta ng Summer League. So what's the excuse now?
Okay. All right, that's it. Siguro I leave it there. Homer, salamat sa update mo, and hopefully we get in touch with Kai Soto's team so para mas maliwanag if possible, or if not, as lang makita natin siya na maging part ng Gilas Pilipinas.
Yes.
On
May 5
this
days pa
game.
pa. Still 5 days to hop on a plane now, go to New Zealand, and
Same
let
time zone
SBP
naman more or less, di ba? More or less.
Yes.
Di ba? Yeah.
2-3 hours, and have SBP take care of all the contracts, the insurance, and all that stuff.
Mhm.
Diba pa? Ikaw, Pao, lalaro ka, Pao?
Kung ako, para alam mo,
$25,000, 2 games, lalaro ka?
oh naman. I mean, it's not just about the money, and sa nakikita ko nga sa mga Gilas Pilipinas players, isang karangalan na ma-wear ang Pilipinas jersey. So, yun lang para sa akin. Sometimes, pagmamahal ang dapat nasa taas.
That's
Lalo
why
na
we
ngayon, kailangan
appreciate.
natin ng pagmamahal.
Yes, that's why we appreciate people like Mike Phillips, di ba, Pao? Nakita natin, excited siya, no?
Mhm.
Like, I wanna play for the country. Si Shawnee Winston, isa din yun. Gusto ko maglaro. And then we have Kai, who already has the privilege, who has been asked to come, and then, like I said, hindi mo kasalanan to, Kai. May mga representation ka. Bago ka lang kasal, naiintindihan ka namin. But, man, can we use you.
All right. I will leave it there. Salamat, Homer, ha?
Thank you, boss. Thank you.
Alright, pa-share, like, and comment. Let me know your reaction, guys, sa update namin na ito. And please comment, guys, na we want Kai sa Gilas Pilipinas. Salamat po.